What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys already know, we're jumping into Honda work and we're going to be focusing on more interior stuff. We're going to be doing carpet. But before we get into all of that, if anyone's wondering or curious where I got the carpet, I got it from Auto Custom Carpets. The main goal for today is just to get the carpet into the car. So I want to be focusing on trimming all this center stuff right here. And today is Friday. I want to at least get the carpet in the car tonight. That way, the remainder of tonight and then all day tomorrow, the carpet can kind of settle itself in the car. And then Sunday, I want to wrap it up and get everything mounted in, get all the interior pieces back in, get all the seats mounted back in. And yeah, that's the goal. I'm gonna start doing some measuring, some trimming up, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm just gonna start a time lapse and let's take it from there. I didn't fully cut out all the squares. I kind of just made a bunch of little slits. I measured from the back and I just worked my way up. That way I can make more precise cuts when I get it into the car. But like I said, I just want to get it laid in tonight so it can start settling. So let's see if we can get her in the car. Man, the carpet's looking really good inside the car. A lot of work to do, a lot of trimming, but I'll pick you guys back up on Sunday and we'll button her up. I know I said I wasn't gonna mess with the car today. I was gonna wait until tomorrow. I wanted today just to be the day where the carpet can seat itself, but I'm ready to make some progress on this. So we're gonna pull this back out and do some more trimming and see what kind of progress we can make today. We made some really good progress today. I messed up on a few spots, mainly around this area, but everything else is turning out really great. Big progress today, and this little dude over there has been helping me all day today. Say what's up. We've had a pretty good day today. Oh my God, you're pulling weeds, dude? What the heck?
I pulled this huge one.
You're crazy,
With
man.
one hand.
You want to tell everyone what we did today? Where'd me and you go today?
To the movies.
What movie did we go see?
Minecraft.
Minecraft movie? What? The movie was awesome, by the way. We're about to clean up real quick and go play some Minecraft now. And then at 1 a.m. be watching the Ferrari boys. We're in, I think we're in Japan this weekend, so stoked to watch the races. I'm gonna have to stay up a little bit, but the last couple races been at like 3 in the morning, so 1 a.m. isn't too bad. We're gonna watch it for sure, but that's gonna wrap up today. We're gonna button everything up tomorrow and take it from there. All right, the carpet is in. All the interior pieces are installed. Seats are back in. This is my first carpet job, and it turned out okay, I guess. There's a few things I'm not too fond of. Got a few bubbles. And right here, the carpet, I should have taken these vents out and laid the carpet underneath. Got a small crease right here. And in the back seat, I got a few bubbles back here as well. Let's see. The carpet looks 100 times better, but I think I could have done better on my end as far as the install. See, here's another example of taking the vents out and laying everything a little flatter, but it looks a lot better. And it's just my work car, so we're not going to be going to any shows or anything with this thing. All I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to lay the floor mats in, and this car hasn't ran in about close to 2 weeks, so I'm going to be checking the oil and firing her up and let her warm all the way up. And while the car is running, I need to tidy up the garage. Here's the aftermath of our trimming. Here's what we were looking like. Well, that's gonna be a wrap, you guys. First time doing carpet, turned out pretty good. If I had to do it again, there'd just be a few things I would do differently, but nevertheless, it turned out great. I'm happy with the color. I'm hoping with time and as heat gets to the car that it seats itself just a little bit better. But we've been making pretty good progress with the car. Just got to keep maintaining and keep pushing forward. But Y'all stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.